If I catch something, Don, it's here. Then I cut the video that we are talking and I show the fish picking up. I had a little bite there. Look, look. I got something.
Ooh, you got something. Ooh, it's a big one.
Nice walleye.
It's a big one.
Nice walleye. No, it's a pike.
It's a pike. Ooh, nice pike. You're cooking him today?
No, no. Hold
Why
the
not?
rod there.
What do you mean, no, no? So what are you doing with him? Putting him back?
Yeah, yeah.
Why? Oh, God, John, we have to go cook this fish.
Oh my God, now I don't have pliers to take it out. Be careful with the teeth. Look at this, guys.
Nice.
3 casts, Zandon. A nice small pike.
Yeah. Okay, this one is damaged anyways. So put her back and catch a bigger one. Okay?
The teeth. I don't have pliers now. How's when I'm taking it out now? Nice one, huh, Don? See, guys, first cast. No, second or third.
Third.
Even cut myself there on the hook.
Third. Let him go. Get a bigger one. Bye. He's gone.
Yeah.
Get a bigger
Hey,
one.
Don, you are here in the video now. Take me a Kleenex from here.
Move your arm. Move your arm.
Nice.
You put me on video in my working clothes?
It's okay.
No, it's not.
Why not? You wanna look? You coming fishing or you going to the or you going modeling?
No modeling. No modeling. Fishing. Fishing.
You saw it was a nice bite.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah, but
let's do it again. See if you can catch a bigger one. Then the bigger one you catch, we're not throwing him back.
this one is not good to eat, I think. But if you wanna take it for you, yeah, but me no.
Why they can't eat?
Look,
So why you fishing?
because of the hook. Look, guys, look.
Okay, but why are you fishing if you can't eat it? Just for the fun?
I fish for the sport, on. I catch and release.
No. I want to eat it.
Yeah, yeah.
There's no point I'm catching my food and I can't eat it. Why am I catching my food and I can't?
Grab the rod again.
One more? See if you get a bigger one. 'Cause trust me, if you get a bigger
Look,
one.
shit. Grab this.
Yeah. Just tie it and put pressure.
Yeah, I need to go buy a thing. It's the store right there. On the way back, I'm gonna stop there to. You roll everything up, Andon.
Okay, try again if you get a bigger one this time.
Oh, and my finger now is the. Oh, the boat is going. Look, the boat, guys, right there.
Take me with you, please.
Oh, I would go.
You get another one?
No, I would go with him easy.
Oh. I need a life jacket. I ain't going in this big old water without a life jacket in that little tiny boat. If the whale pop up and go one splash, the boat.
With this small lure, guys, you see?
Eh?
With this small lure here. Crazy. This is not working.
It's stuck?
I don't know. First fish of the season.
Yeah, I know.
I did 2 casts or 3, then I turned the camera on and bang.
Yeah.
I looked and I forgot that I had the camera off. But this one is still a baby one, huh, Don?
I know that. Because I don't want you hook me instead of the stick.
Oh, sorry guys, I put the finger there. It was a cool one actually.
It's a good size pike.
Yeah. Medium size. You have a lot bigger.
It's a pound and something.
Yeah, a pound and a half, 2 pounds.
Yeah.
A kilo and a half, I think.
That's
Kilo,
what I
kilo.
said, a pound and a half, at least.
A kilo and a half.
Well, a kilo and a half.
Kilo and a half is like maybe 3 pounds, 2 pounds and a half. The guy passed with the boat. Now he moved the water there. It's gonna be more complicated. I felt the bite. It came the first time. Then I felt that second hit, and I just give it a touch. It grabbed right away.
Then you should run the fish back this way with the boat.
Or on the Canadian Tire to buy some pliers for this. But I need to stop there to see if they have weights. Like I used to buy there before. Hey guys, it was like more than 10 years I didn't came here. Oh yeah, more than 10 years. And we have 2 guys there fishing on the other side. I don't know if it's enough to see it on the camera or not. I was talking with the guy there in the bottom with a red shirt. He only caught 1 catfish and he was there already 2 hours. I got here, 4th cast, 1 fish.
1 pike.
1 small pike.
A baby pike.
You want to try it on?
No, I'm dead.
I'm here with my friend Dawn. She always comes with me.
But you know, remember the last time we went fishing, I did catch a fish. I was the only one who caught fish that
Oh yeah, when we went to the chalet.
Yes. I was the only one that day that caught fish. What did I catch? Like 4 fish?
Yeah, but it was the little perch.
I still ate them.
There it was fun, Dawn. There, if I had minnows there, but I didn't find a place there, I would catch a big one. My English is getting better, huh, Dawn?
Oh, for sure.
With the vlogging and everything, it's getting a little bit better.
Try over there, Joe, where the boat is coming from.
Yeah, we're gonna start walking down there. You took a picture, Dawn, with your phone?
For sure.
Then you send it to me.
You know, I'm going to tell them it's me catching.
Yeah, I know you're gonna. It's okay.
You know, I'm going to tell everybody we went fishing, look at the fish that I caught.
Nobody's gonna believe you anyways.
Why not? Why not?
Look at this guy, so beautiful here. So beautiful. My God, I love to come here.
You should have put the camera when we're on the other side where it's more beautiful.
It's beautiful everywhere here. Another cast here.
Natural nature.
I always forget to tell them to like it and share it. I just do it for fun anyways, Don. Let me see if I can go down here.
May you slide down with up the shoes?
I thought about I was going to fall, but I didn't. That's good. Oh, something touched it there. Ah, no, it was weeds. Yeah, but they are in the middle of the weeds, Don. Yeah, one more. I'm gonna throw it sideways here. Because I'm good casting, you know? My God. No place on this side here?
Only right here.
Here?
You have here.
Can try one or twice, that's it. Then we go.
You have right here.
Oh, and there also.
Right here.
There I think I have more space.
You have more space.
Yeah, don't be behind me here, Andon, because I cannot go sideways. Have to tie up the camera here a little bit more.
What's your top?
I put this lure. This lure is a little bit universal. I had a bite there. Or it's weeds. Oh, weeds. It was weeds for sure. Here is the floor. There was the floor. No. It was weeds. It touched something there, or the floor, or some weeds. Some weeds. I felt it. That was a rock over there.
As soon as you stand up one place, mosquitoes take you.
Me, the mosquitoes are good with me.
Now they say mosquitoes like crazy.
Okay. Done. Okay, here we go, guys. A nice fish here. Was not that bad. We'll see how it's gonna be. Ready to go, guys. Just a little bit, just to try it out, the place here. It's an amazing place here, okay? See you guys next time. Peace.